Hi, I'm Olivia McCormick from Seminole Ridge High School, and this is my PSA for littering in the nature preserves. Hope you enjoy.
Public service announcement.
Stop right there, litterbug!
What?
Do you not understand how much damage littering at a nature preserve can have on the environment?
No, not really.
Well, let me educate you. Come on, let's go. Not only does littering cause visual pollution, but hazardous chemicals can also leak out from that litter and pollute the soil.
Really?
Yeah, and not only that, it can harm the animals of this beautiful preserve. You don't want that, do you?
No, I don't, but I understand now.
Good, and remember to be aware of the harm your actions can have, and keep our nature preserves clean.
Okay, time to clean up my mess.